That's awesome. Oh, wow. Holy moly, this place is bigger than I thought. Okay, 1361 is somewhere in that building. All right. Moving on in. I saw a tender somewhere. Ah, there it is. Okay, that's gotta be 1361's tender right there. That looks like it used to be holding a gun or something. Nice. It's funny, this is a mock-up, the 1361. Oh wow, they even got a connecting rod up there. What's this thing? Oh, you put some wheels there. Nice. Well, we got like 25% of a third K4. Kind of nice, but I still wish we preserved the New York Central Hudson, though. Wow, all those paintings. K4 paintings. Oh, and that's that too. Oh, Conrail, nice. It's funny. It's this. I thought the gift shop was the way here. Turns out it's this second door. Nice and cute. Yeah. Okay, no number on the back. Okay. Oh, another caboose. How good's this one? Not too bad on the inside. These cabinets. Nothing. There's this passenger car and a box car and a baggage car. That's what it looks like. Hmm, 1220. What does that mean? All right, here we go. All right. Wait, let's take this one anyway. Yeah, figured. It's locked. It's locked. Okay. Oh wow, there's this Conrail unit. First time I've seen any Conrail unit, or rather, part of one. Whatever happened to that poor thing? Looks like it got wrecked or something. What is this? Ah, nice little tank engine. Oh, there's the GG1. We don't have a lot of double-ended locomotives in America. I wonder why. Oh, I think this is it. Please tell me. Here it is. That's the frame. Wow. That is the first time I've seen a locomotive in pieces. Specifically a steam locomotive. Oh, there's the cab down. There's the cab right there. Oh. Oh, that's the actual tender. That looks like the actual tender, it seems. Huh. I wonder where that other tender came from. Old tender, perhaps? Or is that perhaps 1361's new tender? Or was it maybe the tender from another K4 that didn't survive? Wow, this coach is in really good shape. Oh, what's this? Wow. Oh, this is an observation car. Oh, the Broadway Limited. Whoa. There are the driving wheels. There's the boiler. Holy moly. I don't know if you can tell, but the back half of the firebox has, for some reason, been cut off. Oh, what? I mean, the bottom part's still there. Man, this thing's been in pieces for over 2 decades at this point. Oh, all those flues, whatever these weird things are, pistons, something like that, whatever. I think that's an air compressor. And all those smaller parts, goodness gracious. These are some complex machines those steam locomotives are. It's like something for the brakes, something? I can tell it's not the cylinders. Oh, and there's a bit of a brief history for you. Just about 1 year of operation before that bearing got her. Even worse than 2716 for that matter. Oh, never noticed for these. Almost forgot about these. Yeah, that's definitely the smoke box door. There's the stack. Where's the headlight? Oh, you can actually see that pin that connects the trailing truck to the rest of the frame. I wonder what those are. Oh, goodness gracious, it is hard to get an angle on the front of the frame. I mean, the cylinders are still there. Like, where are the rest of the rods, though? Oh, the dome especially. I wonder where that's gone. Oh God, those wheels are so tall. You can just barely see the tender. So that's where the back of the firebox is. If that is the back of the firebox. I mean, it looks like it. I mean, it looks like a belt pair firebox. Penty traditions, man. That's possibly gotta be easily a piece of the firebox. Oh, this poor Pacific. Yeah, we need her back. And this is why I like Altoona. Yeah. And there's another train. All right. See you later, chap. Pensy fan 19 will so love this. All right. A bit more coaches. All these boxcars. Oh, even that NS one. Ah, Tributation. Small gondola. That thing's gonna need a restoration. That poor thing. And the GG1. That's the first time I've seen a GG1 in this paint scheme. Last time I saw one, it was pretty much all black. It looked like it was inherited by Amtrak. Unlike the one at the NMT, I can now get a much better close-up of this. One thing for sure, though, nobody's getting in that cab just to prove it. Yet seat. Nope. There's the horn. I was just up there yesterday. Trains coming through. Oh, there's a bogie. 3-axle bogie. Another pair of passenger cars. Well, another pair of train cars, because that's really a baggage car. Still coming through. Well, this thing is far less likely to get restored than 1361, and for good reasons, because I think apparently it's because of something poisonous in the GG1s. I think it's like PCBs or something, if I remember correctly. Man, I am so not a Pennsylvania Railroad enthusiast. At least I respect 1361. Oh yeah, this little tiny switcher. Tank engine. I wonder if they'll ever restore this. That's an interesting coal bunker design. That's not pretty. Okay, this doesn't move. Is that like the brake pipe or something? This thing's jammed. This thing got a decent seat. Is that what the whistle used to be? Oh, and this is no, it's just never mind. This is the roof. Seat is wobbly. Oh, God. And the paint is stripped. Goodness gracious. I've seen worse than this. That's been left open. Oh, looks nice. We even got some yellow paint on the bars. All that. Never seen that on a locomotive before. Alright, I wonder what's in this building. Are we seeing a diesel in there? Looks like an SD40-2 or something. Or whatever. I'm not good at identifying diesels. I need a little practice with that. Whatever happened to this cab? Oh. Oh. I mean, was this something safe from scrap or something? I don't think I'm getting in there. Nah, I don't think I'm getting in there anytime soon. Nope. 6693. Oh! Oh, this thing's been disassembled. You see that? I don't know if you can see it. It looks like it's undergoing some sort of repair, or maybe it's just been disassembled intentionally to show how they maintain diesels or something. Alright, let me go check out the rest of the place. Oh, I missed this. Ah, the firebox is still open. Light's not that too good on my phone camera, but you can see the tube sheet and the ash pan. I really wish I knew where this tender came from, because it's kind of like seeing WP 484's tender without knowing exactly where it came from. I feel so bad for not knowing where this came from. Feel free to let me know in the comment section below where it came from, as in what locomotive it came from. Okay, that's another K4. It's a Confederate flag. Oh, wild tuna. I love that. Not that, though. Wow. Oh, there's even a theater. Train schedule. Oh, is that an old restroom sign from like the 40s or something? I've never seen that before. Oh, here's the PRR system. All this. All right. Looks like a funnel from the Titanic or something, or an ocean liner.
And the colored, they have their churches too. And then the Jews, they have a church over on synagogue. You know, in the shops, I hear people still speak.
It looks like this place used to be a bar or something. This particular room. I see. Yeah, it's actually the boiler barrel. Makes sense now. You can tell by that tube sheet. What do we got here? Track diorama. This. Drive wheel. Car shop bell. Even some paintings of these guys maintaining locomotives. Even a GG1 model. M1A mountain. P70 car. Head 5 cabin car for boost. 29 boxcar. Oh, even some replica driving wheels.
That means satisfying passengers and freight that's in good condition. While the engineman makes the train move, it's the conductor who holds the authority to say when it will start and when it will stop. So you see.
Oh wow! All that blueprint for boiler or something. He's got a knuckle coupler.
Both sad and strange. The Walter L. May circus train careened off the tracks on a steep grade and sharp curves north of Tyrone. 14 of its 17 giant wooden circus cars lay in twisted and splintered ruin. 50 horses were killed.
Steam pressure to power our locomotive on whatever kind of run we're working. You gotta remember, the coal burns to heat the water into steam. It's the steam that makes the engine move, and I make the steam. The tender, which is attached right behind the cab of the engine, carries all our coal and water, and I've got to be sure we always have enough of both. I either shovel the coal into the firebox of the boiler myself, or I make sure the mechanical stoker is doing it right. But no matter how the coal is getting in a particular part, it depends here railroad. Because the engine, lots of times, has me move over to his side of the cab and run the engine while he's taking a break or filling out forms or something. Some firemen like being out on the main line on long runs. Other fellows like working on the engines in the yards, closer to home, with more regular hours. And just like with engine, the longer you work for the railroad, they call it seniority. The more choice you have about when.
All right, this wasn't previously open when I first checked, so, but now that it is open, I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, wow. Oh, there's another angle from the 1361. There's equipment moving around. I'm gonna stay back. That is loud. Yeah, that is not the back end of the firebox or something. At least the whole back end of it. It's possibly the back end of the firebox. Who knows? Yeah, see? Is this a refrigerated car? Yeah, it looks like something. Or is it maybe a generator car? I'm seeing high voltage warnings inside it. All right, I'm on the 3rd floor now. And that's pretty much the cab of a K4. 1361 in this case. That's a stoker. Never seen that before. There's another, I guess, 5 or 10% of my 3rd K4. Oh, there's a ping, then PRR, then Central, and then Conrail. Oh, Conrail's better. Oh. So that's where the rest of 1361 was. There's the whistle, bell, number plate. It's all this. Yeah, there's the eccentric rod. Still a few parts that are still somewhere in the shed that nobody else can get to. Never mind then. That's as high as I'm officially going. Well, guys, that pretty much concludes my visit to the Railroaders Memorial Museum. This was pretty flippin' awesome. I know you Penn State fans are definitely gonna like it a lot. If you enjoyed the video, you know the deal. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, be sure to activate notifications so that you won't miss any future uploads like this. This was definitely the first time I ever saw a locomotive restoration in progress, and I'm never gonna forget it so much. Andrew Alabamers, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. There's the rest of the 1316's boiler and the firebox. So that's where it was the whole time.